Hey guys, it's Sabrina, and today I did this Valentine's halo eye, and so you should subscribe, and if you want to know how to do this look, just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm going to be taking this light pink right here and putting it in my crease. And next I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette and taking Love Letter and putting it in my crease as well. So then next I'm going to be taking this red color and the Take Me to Brazil palette and putting it on my crease as well as the inner and outer corner of my eyelid. Next I'm going to be taking red ochre on the Modern Renaissance palette and putting it on the outer and inner corner of my eyelid. Okay, next I'm going to carve out the middle of my eyelids to make room for the halo. Okay, next I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter glue and the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm going to be taking this pink color and putting it in the middle of my eyelid. Next I'm going to be going back in with that red from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be blending out the inner and outer corner with the middle. Next I'm going to be taking the NYX Vivid Brights liner in Petal, and I'm going to be putting that above the halo. Okay, next I'm going to carve out the outer corner of my eye and add some wing liner. Okay, so I did my eyeliner and now I'm going to go do my face makeup and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to be taking that red in the BH Cosmetics palette and putting it under my eye. I'm also going to be taking this hot pink in the Take Me to Brazil palette and putting it under my eye as well. Okay, next I'm going to be lining my bottom and top waterline with some black eyeliner. So next for inner corner, I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter glue and this Physicians Formula palette. I'm going to be taking the first shade and putting it on my inner corner. To make the inner corner a little pink, I'm going to be taking this pink in the BH Cosmetics palette and putting it on top of that. For highlight, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Precious Petals as well as the Sleek palette highlight. I'm going to be taking this pinkish color. I'm going to be highlighting. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Better Than Sex mascara and the Pinky Rose lashes in So Posh. I'm going to go put those on, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I put my lashes on, and next I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Lolita, and I'm going to be putting that on my lips. Hey guys, so this is the final look, and yeah, if you like this look and you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love you. Have a great day.